Hey everyone, it's Viv with Stitches and Seams, and today I'm going to be showing you what I've got going for the month of April. Thank you all for coming back and being so patient. It's been a kind of a sporadic filming schedule lately, and so I just apologize. Hopefully things are going to start evening out a little bit. So today I just wanted to bring some stuff or show you some stuff that I'm going to be working on this month in hopes that I will keep myself motivated, because I have a lot of things that I want to do, but there's also a lot of things that I need to do for various, for various reasons. So the first one I've already gotten done, and if you follow me on Instagram, and I'll put my handle here for you and also down in the description box below, I did a pajama set for my Minerva blog post, guest blog post. So if you want to see what that is, you can head over to my Instagram and check that out. Super comfy, love it, and I'm ready for hot weather with that one. I have another Minerva blog post coming up, and this is the fabric that I chose. Hopefully little dandelions and birds, and it's a knit fabric, and I will be doing a whole blog post about it and, you know, photos and stuff like that, so stay tuned for that one. Let's see, there's gonna be a whole mess. Okay, and I have to check off my list. Okay, so the next one is I am working on my inspo outfit from Pinterest, and I don't want to show you the inspiration yet, but I'll show you what I'm working on. Excuse me. So these are another pair of ash jeans, just the front, that I've gotten done so far. And I have secret kid pockets. Because my daughter works in a daycare, she has smocks that I made her, and they're out of, like, you know, fun kid stuff. Little kid stuff, and so I had some leftover Paw Patrol fabric that I'm just using for my pocket bags, so that'll be a little goofy. And that's the ash jeans and the skinny leg. So those are needing to be completed. Then we have the top for that, and I am going to be using this. It's a rayon poplin, or no, is it a rayon poplin? It feels like a rayon poplin. I know it has poplin in the name, and I think I got this off of fabric.com, but I'm not entirely sure. But it's going to be a Mila, but I'm going to change my Mila up a little bit. I made that, I think, last month, my original, like, muslin, wearable muslin, and so I'm going to change it just a little bit and use this as the top for my inspo outfit. And I'm really looking forward to that one, because this is something that I can wear in the summer, even though it's black, and it'll be nice and cool. Okay, so that's the inspo outfit. Let's see. So if you watch Karina from Lifting Pins and Needles, she had her April plans and small fabric haul up. I think she posted it yesterday. So you'll know that we are doing the Style Arc Cindy jacket, and I'll put a dooflicky here. Yeah, I needed adult supervision. Karina's my adult supervision. I saw this jacket. I don't know how I ran across it, because Style Arc is not typically a pattern company that I look at. But I do like a lot of their stuff. I don't know, part of me, I think it's like my inner child feels like I'm not good enough, like advanced enough in my skills to kind of like sew their patterns, if that makes sense. But anyway, I've been modeling the Cindy jacket, and then we were talking and we decided to just do it together. It took me, day before yesterday, it took me like an hour and a half to cut this out. Mind you, I was talking and texting in between that. But yeah, it was a whopper. So what I'm not using a denim because I'm not really a jean jacket kind of person, but I am using this dusty rose stretch pink twill. And yeah, it's a little bit lighter weight than a denim. So I guess I need to go ahead and interface some of the pieces, which I haven't cut out yet, of course, because that'll take me another freaking 30 minutes. But anyway, yeah, cut that out and then interface those pieces that need to be interfaced. And then we'll start working on that a little at a time because it is a big project. It has 18 pieces and it's, well, you'll see from the line drawing, it's got loads of panels. So it's a little bit more intricate than anything that I've ever attempted, thus the adult supervision. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. I'm doing the version with the ruffle collar, hopefully. We'll see how that turns out. Then for the what do we call that? The men's sewing. I have an old tie of my husband's that I'm going to harvest for its innards. It's actually silk, but he doesn't like it. He's not going to wear it. He's had it for years. So I'm going to harvest it for the interfacing and the lining bits here. Yeah. And then this, can't remember the name of the company right off the top of my head. It's like R something fabrics. I'll link it down below. I picked this up. This is something that he ordered, or he picked out, excuse me, for a tie. And I'm really looking forward to using that and just constructing the tie. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Also, I'm not wearing anything that I made today. It's all ready to wear. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, the tie. Then I have, if you watched my last live video, I showed you how to do the hack on the t-shirt pattern to get the yoke look. And I'm going to be making myself and my daughter, my oldest girl, let's try this, t-shirts with these two fabrics. The solid is going to be the yoke, and the floral will be the main, the larger portion of the body. And then I'll probably do the stripes with the floral as well on the sleeves. So yeah, there's that. And then my oldest also, just like I was talking about her smocks earlier, I have 3 smocks left that I need to make her. These things are a pain because there's so much bias tape. And you all know my opinion on bias tape. So yeah, these are the fabrics that she had picked out back in October or August or September or something like that. So it's Mickey and Minnie, and then Transformers, and then Jasmine and Aladdin. So yeah, those 3, those are, if I somehow miraculously get time in between other things. So there's those, because I'm also doing the pants fitting class with Andrea from Sew to Fit, and I will link her information down below. If you don't know who she is, you should check her out. She's got a lot of information on YouTube that is super, super helpful. So there's that. Then Jack has asked pointedly for more Hudson pants. So I bought these 2. One is gray and one is one is light gray and one is charcoal, but I can't tell the difference. They're very close. I got these, and they're both Telio from fabric.com. I think I got 3 yards of each, because out of a yard I can make Lorelei a pair as well, and she wants more also. And then I had ordered, I got a cuffing fabric, but I don't know what I did with it. It's in there somewhere. So the 2 Hudson pants, well, I'm only like, what's the word? I'm only setting myself up. I don't know how do you say it? I'm only trying to focus on Jack's Hudson's this month, and Lorelei will come because she has 2 pairs. Jack only has 1 pair. So Lorelei's will come next month or something. Hopefully. Okay, so list here. And then I have 2 that I've already done, and I'll just go ahead and show them to you on the hanger. My first one was my wearable muslin for the Itch to Stitch Crystal Cove cami. And this is the fabric. This was hashtag remnant bin win from Joann. I think I got this for like $4, $3. It was not a lot of money, but super inexpensive for a cute little top. And the Crystal Cove cami has the little split back, so it'll be really cute in the summertime to wear that. And the print is just, it's just so pretty. But I mean, I can even wear that in the spring now with like a little cardigan. That's the word I was looking for. Cardigan. I'll hang that right there. Okay, so then I ordered this fabric, and it is a linen something. I want to say rayon, but I can't remember. If I can find the fabric, I will link it down below, because trust me, you're going to want this fabric. It is a linen something or another from Style Maker Fabrics, and again, I'll link that below. And what I have done is I have made myself, for the very first time, Tilly and the Buttons Bettine, and I went for the version with the pockets. I didn't lengthen it because Hobbit, and it actually worked out really well. I did an inch hem on it, and it hits me perfectly, you know, above the knee. I wore this yesterday to the Dallas-Fort Worth Fiber Fest here in town, and I just wore it with Converse, and it was so cute. And I have never in my whole entire life worn a dress all day long, but yesterday I did, and it was really comfortable. So I'm actually really looking forward to making some more of these. I have a, where is it? I have a rayon. It's a navy rayon that has the white stripes, and I bought this when we were in the old house, and I showed it to you guys because I was thinking about making the Love Notions Sonata dress out of it. But I think I might actually make the Bettine out of it. Think. Don't hold me to that. I'm not sure. But that's not going to happen this month anyway. Okay, so yeah. That is pretty much everything for April. If I get to it all, it will be pretty much a miracle. There's certain things that I have to finish. Like I have to finish the jacket. I have to finish the tie. I have to finish my inspo outfit. And kind of anything else that gets done will just be kind of like icing on the cake. So, but that's cool. That's okay. It's good to be productive. And, you know, keeps me out of trouble. Keeps me from buying fabric. Keeps me busy. So yeah, that is it. And hopefully I'll be able to come back toward the end of the month and let you guys know like how it went. There should be a separate video for the tie coming toward the end of the month as well. So hopefully you'll be able to see that if you're interested, of course. And I'm going to have some other stuff coming here and there. So hopefully we'll get back to our regularly scheduled programming. Isn't that what they used to say on the television? So yeah, that is it, guys. And also, real quick, I just want to say a quick thank you to all the new subscribers. You guys are blowing me away. I can't even believe it. I just want to say welcome, and again, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. So that's it today, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and take care. Bye.